Hi, my name is Amanda Haines. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group. I'm in St. Cloud today, and this home here behind me is a 4-bedroom. It has 2 stories, so stay tuned and I'll give you a tour. This home is in the Classic series. Of course, at the front, this here would be your garage, currently being used as a sales office. The base price starts at $466,990. You have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. There's 2,894 square feet. There's a flex room, and then you come down the hall here where you have your garage door. You can't get in, but you did see the garage area, and then the utility room. On the exterior of the home, there's 4 different elevations to choose from. You do have a powder room here and then a linen closet just outside. Some of your standard features in the kitchen include the quartz countertops, the 36-inch cabinets. You have your pantry in the corner and then Whirlpool appliances. You would be responsible for getting the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. The cafe where you can have your table. There's a large gathering room. And then you have the option of having a covered lanai. They have some touch-up to do on the fence here, but there are both pond and conservation views in this community. Before I take you upstairs, the owner's suite is on the first floor. You have the nice tray ceilings in your gathering room. The under the stairs storage here. And a nice light fixture hanging up above the bed. Very elegant. I love these walk-in showers. They're really nice with all of the windows. You have the privacy door for your toilet and a large closet. I had mentioned there's a few different home collections to choose from. The bungalows, the estates, and the Classic series, and 15 different floor plans. You have 34-foot and 40-foot home sites. The HOA is low and there's no CDD. Some of your amenities include a pool and cabana, there's a playground, walking trails, and great schools. This is a 20 by 17 foot loft space. The couch looks really comfortable. It's a perfect movie room. And then over here you have a full-size bathroom with your vanity, shower, and tub. Of course, the linen closet. We have this adorable baby room, nursery with a couple cribs in here. Perfect for a large family. Love the walk-in closet. It has a window letting light in. And then you have your 2 remaining bedrooms. At this time, there are no quick move-ins available, but you can absolutely build. So if you would like more information on that, please let me know. Last is the fourth bedroom, which has its own bathroom and walk-in closet. Great for whenever you have guests staying with you. I do a lot of new home video tours in the Central Florida area. So if you like this and want to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the like button. Again, my name is Amanda Haines. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.